需要轉換，往復需要接搭，接。Folding. Yeah, exactly. See.
What is it? Folding.
Folding. See, when you folding, you have to be folding. That when your hand coming in.
Oh, which one do you want?
That's okay. Here, see, here now. This is a danger zone because he got me from here. See? So Sifu Kuo always taught me this one here, right here. See? The green dragon going out to sea. Once when you off the center, off the line, boom, that's hand right there. You hit the guy there. See that? Boom, on into it. See? That's why the call pig feet hand. It can be effective. It's from here.
So then, when you're training, why then don't you just like this, boom, just like that, every time?
No, because when that is going to fighting, we do that.
But so when you go into competition, that's exactly what you do.
No, we don't go into. I haven't gone into much competition because we cannot apply with the rule, and I disagree with the rule.
Right. So the rules are an artifice to you. They're not real.
Yeah, that's right. See, we push hand with them. Every one of them, we push them down.
Yeah, because they're not training to fight.
Yeah, but then you go out there and fight and say, hey, you lost.
For the sake of pushing hands.
Isn't it?
Excessive force.
Yeah, excessive force. See, they don't know what the force is. Now, I using all true Tai Chi, the punching. I don't using external kung fu.